When it comes to electric shaving, Braun has been a trusted name for years. Their Series 5 5150 CS model is an appealing mid-range electric shaver that promises a clean and fast shave while offering additional trimming and grooming features. With thousands of customer ratings and a solid reputation, this product aims to be a great choice for those who want both efficiency and convenience in their grooming routine. But does it truly deliver? Let's break down the features, performance, and customer feedback to see if it's worth the investment. Clean and fast shave with flexible blades. The Braun Series 5 5150 CS shaver boasts 3 flexible blades that adapt to the contours of your face, ensuring a smooth and comfortable shave. This flexibility helps prevent irritation while maintaining closeness, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Whether you're shaving daily or every few days, the razor efficiently captures and cuts hair with precision. The inclusion of 2 shave modes, standard and turbo, allows users to switch between normal and high-speed settings, offering up to 25,500 cutting actions per second for a faster shave. Wet and dry use for convenience. One of the standout features of this shaver is its wet and dry compatibility. Whether you prefer to shave with foam, gel, or dry, the Series 5 adapts to your preference. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who enjoy the convenience of dry shaving but occasionally want a more refreshing wet shave. Additionally, it's waterproof, making it easy to clean under running water, a feature that many users appreciate. Long-lasting battery and German engineering. With up to 50 minutes of cordless shaving time, the Li-ion battery ensures you get multiple shaves on a single charge. Engineered in Germany, the durability and build quality are evident, making it a reliable option for everyday grooming. Users have praised the ergonomic grip, which makes handling the shaver comfortable and easy. Grooming attachments for versatility. The Braun Series 5 5150 CS comes with multiple attachments, including a beard trimmer and body groomer. While this adds versatility, some users have expressed disappointment in the effectiveness of the trimmer. The attachments allow for some level of styling and maintenance, but those looking for a high-quality trimming experience might find them lacking compared to dedicated trimmers. Customer feedback. Strengths and weaknesses. With a 4.2 out of 5-star rating from over 10,000 reviews, the Braun Series 5 5150 CS has been well received, though not without some critiques. Here's a look at what customers love and where they find room for improvement. What customers love. Comfortable and lightweight. Many users praise the ergonomic design and ease of handling. Fast and smooth shave. The flexible blades and turbo mode provide a quick, clean shave. Long battery life. The 50-minute runtime per charge is a big plus for users. Easy to clean. The waterproof design makes cleanup hassle-free. Common complaints. Trimmer attachment is weak. Many customers feel that the trimmer attachment lacks power and doesn't provide precise trimming. Shave quality declines over time. Some users note that the shaving performance starts strong but deteriorates after a few weeks of use. Not as close as premium models. While it provides a decent shave, some customers feel it requires extra effort to achieve a really close shave compared to higher-end Braun models. Difficult to remove the head for cleaning. A few users mention that the shaver head is tightly fitted, making removal tricky. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? For $99.94, the Braun Series 5 5150 CS offers a solid electric shaving experience with the convenience of wet and dry use, a long battery life, and ergonomic design. It's a good mid-range option for those who want a reliable electric shaver without spending a fortune. While the trimmer attachment is underwhelming and the shave quality may decline over time, the fast performance, flexible blades, and ease of cleaning make it a worthwhile investment for many users. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and easy-to-maintain electric shaver, the Braun Series 5 5150 CS is a solid choice. However, if you require an ultra-close shave or a powerful trimmer, you might want to explore higher-end models. For exclusive discounts and deals, check out our video description box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more grooming product reviews and recommendations.